fireworks. They're starting at a different place than we thought, but there are the fireworks. They look really cool. And they're not as loud as I thought. We were sitting in the parking lot and somebody set off like this big firework in the parking lot and it really scared me. It hurt my ears. I mean, like, we're really far away from them, but, like, you can still see. My gosh. Wow, that one was cool. What? Oh, there's some over there, too. Are you doing a Facebook Live? There's some over here, and then there's some over there. Ah! Oh. Well, they're over. No, never mind. I thought they were over, but I was wrong. That looked like a burger. How do they change colors? I'm not even pointing in the right direction. Why does it sound like they're coming over there too? pretend that the Squishmallows are watching the fireworks too. Whoa! Big boom. Wow. So many people screaming. Oh! That one scared me.
Teresa, your headlights are on.
Oh yeah, they are. Sliding at my foot. They're still on. Oops.
They're still on.
Oh, they're off now.
Oh, okay, they're off. They're off now.
Ah. My stomach hurts. Where are you going?
I don't know when to do it. Wait, does it turn? Can I do it this way?
Yes, go.
Hold on, let me do it.
Toward the fireworks.
Oh, this way? I don't know when to go.
Go.
Oh. Oh. Ow. My arm hurts. Ow. Ugh. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my. That one was big. Oh! That sounded like a bomb. Fireworks are like bombs though. Bombs that shoot up in the sky and put up light. Oh! My stomach hurts. They're basically like tiny bombs that go up into the sky and put up light. And that are really pretty. But the only reason why they produce light is because they're made out of fire. Oh my gosh. Wow. Keeps scaring me. That one looked like an avocado. there too. I'm gonna have a headache after this. I think this is the finale. Huh?
Is it okay if I also go there to take a photo of the fireworks?
Go where?
Right where you're sitting, if we change spots for a second.
Oh, I don't want to move.
What?
I don't want to move.
I know, but it's just for a second.
Oh, fine. Oh! That one scared me. I'm gonna break the hood. How many fireworks do they have? Oh my goodness.
Do you need me to move now?
No, my head just hurts.
Smile. What?
Are they done? I think they're done. Nope, never mind. Oh.
To the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, Detroit down to Houston, and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say,
Oh God.
there ain't no doubt.
Oh. Okay, I think this is the finale.
Finale, guys.
My goodness. Sarah, look. Look at all that smoke.
Can I do a cartwheel now?
Well. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.